come on out. Let go. Hey, what is up, you guys? It's Aaron with GT5 Garage. Today we're going to start working on the Celica and start taking it apart. So let's get started. There we go. We expertly categorized the hood outside and the backyard where it belongs. When you're working on a car, a lot of the time what you want to do is just stare at it for a while until you know what you want to do next. It's kind of fun. Try it. So right now I'm removing the washer bottle fluid reservoir. Got that on both ends to undo the wiring here. Which I don't know if this is going to work one-handed. I don't think it will. I have a parts box. Oh, state. One rule I always have is get the bolt right back where it was. Then, I don't want to lose it, but remember where it goes. Is for future install reference, so this goes to black and yellow. It goes to red on the MSD. This might be easier to take with the radiator out. Shout out to my really cool Craftsman tool set. And we're free. Of course, there's always a mess. Oh wait, this. Oh, that goes to my. I'm on the wrong harness here. That went to my driving lights. So I don't care about that. That's all gonna get ripped out anyways. Okay, so red and black is ground for the MSD. So red has to be power. All right, mystery solved. Put that in the box. This I need to get in there too. This headlight relay. apparently I have a 10mm on one side and a 12 on the other side. So this is what I was using with the MSD ignition. I have no idea what this igniter came out of. It came with my MSD kit. Okay, I'm almost done. Windshield washer motor. Might save that. Oh, that's got some patina. So I made some progress off camera. Took out the battery tray, and underneath it actually everything looks pretty decent. Got all this wiring here unhooked. I'm going to be reusing as much of this wiring harness here as possible. The new wiring harness that I'm getting might have some connections that are missing, so I just want to make sure that I save what I can off this old harness that still has good parts left on it. So the next thing I'm working on is taking out this negative battery cable. It has two different spots here. It has one there for the frame, and it has one here for the engine. And I soaked both of those in WD-40 to kind of make them a little bit easier to get out. They both look pretty stubborn. So I'll take this off and I'll get back with you. All right, come on out. Ah, we're stuck. We're unstuck. Good. Woo! Crispy. All right. Normally I would let go. What are you doing? No. Bad dog. Look up. I already have an oil leak down there. I've had an oil leak on this thing for a few years. Didn't help the whole fire situation that much. Oh, actually, you know what? Fire did get inside the car a little bit. Whew. Boy, that was close, you guys. Okay, so this thing is kind of an eyesore and it needs to be changed out anyways, and I'm kind of tired of the oil leak on my garage floor. And I'll be getting a new drain plug gasket because that's where it's been leaking from. Yeah, not too bad. No. Well, according to this, I'm only down about half a quart. Well, that is a slow oil leak. Should make a big mess though. Well, that's pretty clean. Yeah, I'm not worried about the engine at all. There's nothing internal that could have gotten damaged from the fire. It's good. New oil, new antifreeze. We'll call it good. Alright, you guys, so that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. Just want to let you know I did a couple of things off camera, and I'll show you those real quick, and then we're going to wrap this up. So I went ahead and cleaned up the engine a little bit. Cleaned up really, really nice. I was actually kind of surprised how easy it was. Fail. I was kind of surprised how easy it was, considering how difficult it was to remove all the soot from all the paint. It actually didn't stick to the aluminum at all, so that made that a breeze. Other than that, I took apart a couple more things along here.
So that's going to wrap up this video, you guys. If you liked it, be sure you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more updates. We'll catch you next time.